Here we are going to change the machine settings from 1117 to 8.5 by 11 letter fold. So what you would do is you press on the fold. Now as you can see, there are the different folds that are options for this machine. We will press letter fold and then it will come up next. You press next and it will ask you for the sheet size. Now this machine has the 3 most popular sizes automatically in it, but you can also enter in different sheet sizes like 12 or 13 or 15. All you have to do is press the inch button and then you just type in the sheet size. But since we're going to 11, we'll press 11. Now we'll initialize and then the machine will start setting up for 8.5 by 11 letter fold. Now that the machine is initialized, we will run some 8.5 by 11 sheets to a simple letter fold. And as you can see, we have a nice letter fold.